My name is Yashwant Sir and he is my friend Dilipan. We are studying 7th standard in Aditya Vidyashram School, Pondicherry.
We are participating in Atal Marathon 2023.
We are made a project to participate in Atal Marathon. It is electricity producing cycle. Here it is. I made this cycle specially for saving our current and children's safety. Nowadays, children are riding a cycle very fast and they getting injuries. So I made this facility. If we ride the cycle very fast, this red light will glow. Then we should control our speed. Facility especially for saving our current because nowadays we are not using empty batteries. We are just throwing out. If we put that battery in this battery holder, it will automatically charge while we are riding in this cycle. I am going to show the demo of high-speed detector. If we go very fast in this cycle, this red light will glow. If this red light glow, we should control our car. So this is the demo of high-speed detector. And about this cycle, first we can see about automatic charger of battery. First, I fix a dynamo here, and the top of dynamo I fix cap-like structure. By rotating this tire, we can get a power. By that power, we can charge a battery. But I face one problem here. That is, if we connect battery to the motor, battery will flow the current to the motor. So I fix the diode. Diode will stop the flow of current from battery to the motor. By that, we can get a power from only motor to the battery. To explain about high-speed detector. First, I fix a dynamo here. On top of a dynamo, I fix one bottle cap. By rotating a tire of a cycle, we can get the power. By that power, we can glow this light. But if we go very fast in our cycle only, this light will glow. Once needed. First, we can see automatic charger of battery. One battery holder, wires, diode, dynamo for high-speed detector, 3 strip light, wires, dynamo motor, one bottle cap. These are components needed for this cycle.
Grateful to our parents, teachers to participating in Atal Marathon.
Thank you for Aditya Management to provide such a wonderful lab.
Thank you for watching this video.